In this video, we will discuss about 3 different ways to find out either we have the similar data in 2 columns or not. The first method is the exact formula. So we use equals to exact, bracket open. In the text one, we use the cell 1, comma. In the text 2, we select the second cell to compare, then close the bracket, then it says false. Now we need to drag it down to apply the same formula below. Basically, the exact function will compare with the letters as well. If I write the capital F and then small, so you can see it says true, it means we have the similar data in both the columns. Now the second method is to use the if function. If formula, bracket open, and again in the bracket we use the exact formula in the logical text, like exact. Again open the bracket. We use the similar technique, like select the first cell, comma, and then compare with the second cell, close the bracket, and comma, and inverted comma. If we have the exact result, it says yes, inverted comma, close, comma, inverted comma. If we have different, then it says no, inverted comma, close, and we have bracket, close, enter. So you can see it says yes, it means we have the similar data in both the columns. Now for the third option, we can simply select the first cell, equals to, and simply select the second cell and then press enter. So we got true, which means we have the similar data, and drag the same formula below. This is how we can get the 3 different methods to compare the data. If I change the data in the second cell, and you can see if I change or if I type any data in the second cell to compare our or to test our formula. So you can see here the result as well. This is how we test our formula as well. We can again test our formula, so we can use different methods to compare.